In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to see your bet history on the Sportsbet app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up the Sportsbet app on my device as I normally would. And now you're brought to the home screen here. So from the home page, navigate to where it says more, the hamburger looking icon on the bottom right hand corner. And then under my account, you can click onto my bets. So this is going to give you all the history of your previous bets you've placed. And on here you can filter by results and filter by date. So if you want to filter by results, you can filter by all won bets, lost bets, and even cashed out bets. And then filter by date, you can do today, last 7 days, last 30 days. And also you can click on pending, and these are your pending bets. And you can sort this by date placed, by most recent, oldest first, next up, biggest stake, smallest stake.